on this mole concept. Now, stepwise, we'll discuss these problems. First relation is between mass of the gas, number of moles. So, we have already discussed that if a substance is taken in grams equal to its molecular weight, that amount is said to be gram molecular weight, gram mole or mole. So, every time it is not possible to take that amount only, because in different situations we have to take different weights. So, if we take different weights, so how to convert that amount in terms of moles? So, now let us see a simple problem. We have 8 grams of how many moles? How many moles are present in 8 grams of H2. How many moles are present in 8 grams of H2? How many moles are present in 8 grams of H2? Here you should remember the molecular weights of some important compounds. If a new compound was given, automatically they will give you the atomic weights of atoms present in the molecule, and immediately you can easily calculate the molecular weight. By that way you can calculate the number of moles. So now, here we have 8 grams of hydrogen. We know that molecular weight of hydrogen is 2, because it's a very familiar gas. So for such gases they won't give you the molecular weight. You should remember the molecular weights. So here first you have to write down molecular weight of H2 is 2. Molecular weight of hydrogen is 2. So if molecular weight of hydrogen is 2, its gram molecular weight H2 will be 2 grams. Molecular weight is 2, but gram molecular weight is 2 grams. If they ask you gram molecular weight, you should specifically mention the unit also, 2 grams. 2 grams of hydrogen only said to be 1 mole, not 2 milligrams or not 2 kilograms. So unit is more important. Now, here mass of the hydrogen was given, that is, given mass of hydrogen is 8 grams. So given mass of hydrogen, eight grams. Given mass of hydrogen is 8 grams. Now, how many moles are present in it? We know that 2 grams will be equal to 1 mole. 2 grams will be equal to 1 mole. So, now let us write 2 grams of, if 2 grams of H2 is equal to 1 mole, then 8 grams of H2 is equal to how many moles? So naturally the number of moles will be more than 1. That's why 8 by 2 into 1, that is equal to 4 moles. So 8 grams of hydrogen will be equal to 4 moles. From this, you can simply derive a formula. You can simply derive a formula for number of moles. That is, here number of moles is equal to, how you get that number of moles there? 8 by 2 into 1. That means mass of the gas by its gram molecular weight will gives you the number of moles. So from that relation, you can write the number of moles like this. Mass of gas in grams by mass of gas in grams by gram molecular weight. With the help of this formula, you can directly calculate the number of moles of any gas. Mass of the substance in grams by 4 gram molecular weight of the given substance. Is equal to mass of gas in grams by gram molecular weight. Or sometimes they may ask you mass of the gas by giving number of moles and gram molecular weight. Sometimes they may ask like that also. Then you can get mass of the gas is equal to number of moles into gram molecular weight. Mass of gas in grams is equal to number of moles into gram molecular weight. Understand? Sometimes they may ask you the gram molecular weight without giving any name of that substance. They will give you what will be the gram molecular weight of the substance if 20 grams of this substance contains 2 moles. In such cases, so gram molecular weight can also be calculated. Gram molecular weight is equal to, gram molecular weight is equal to mass of the gas in grams by number of moles. So these 3 formulas are very much useful to calculate or to find out the relation between mass and number of moles and mass and gram molecular weight and so on. Now, how many moles are present in 32 kilograms of O2? How many moles are present in 32 kilograms of O2? Now, in this problem, they are asking the number of moles of oxygen. So, in any problem, I have already mentioned you. If it is a familiar things, they won't give you molecular weight. If it is a new compound, then they will give you the atomic weights or more directly molecular weights. So, since it is hydrogen, you won't expect the molecular weight because you know it. Molecular weight. Weight of oxygen is equal to 32. Molecular weight of oxygen is 32. So, automatically what is its gram molecular weight? What is the molecular weight of O2? What is the gram molecular weight of O2? Gram molecular weight means take the substance in grams equal to its molecular weight. So gram molecular weight means 32 grams. Taking the substance in grams equal to its molecular weight is said to be gram molecular weight. So here you know the gram molecular weight and weight of the gas, 32. The mass of the gas is 32. But remember the unit here, importance of the unit. Here they are asking for 32 kilograms, not 32 grams. So mass of O2 in grams is equal to 32,000 grams. Sorry, 32,000. Because 32 kilograms. So it will be 32,000 grams. Now what is the formula to find out the number of moles? Here we have three formulas. Number of moles is equal to mass of the gas in grams by gram molecular weight. Therefore, number of moles of O2 is equal to mass of O2 in grams by gram molecular weight. So 32 kilograms was given there. You should carefully observe the units. It's more important thing that you have to observe. Sometimes they will give you milligrams. Sometimes they will give you kilograms. Whatever the unit that they have given, you should convert it into grams first. Then only you have to apply this formula. So, mass of the gas in grams is equal to 32,000. Then what is the gram molecular weight of oxygen? The gram molecular weight of oxygen is 32 grams. So, 32,000 by 32, that is equal to 1,000 moles. Most of the students will confuse in this aspect only. If they, even without concentrating on the units, they simply write 32 by 32 as 1 mole. That means see how much error that you are doing. For the 1,000 moles, you are giving the answer as 1 mole. So your answer is 1,000 times far away from the real answer if you not concentrate on units. Now, I'll give you another problem. How many moles are present in 32 milligrams of O2? In the previous problem, they have asked to find out the number of moles that were present in 32 kilograms. Now they are asking the number of moles that were present in 32 milligrams. Now do this problem. So here also, first thing that you have to, molecular weight. Molecular weight of O2 is equal to, molecular weight of O2 is equal to 32. Then gram molecular weight is equal to 32 grams. Then weight of oxygen 32 milligrams. So you should convert into grams. How you will convert milligrams into grams? How many milligrams are there for 1 gram? 1000. 1000 milligrams will be equal to 1 gram. Milli means 1000, centi means 100. So here you have to divide this with 1000. That is 32 by 1000 grams. So it is nothing but 0.032 grams. This is mass of hydrogen in grams. Now you can simply substitute these values in the previous formula. So number of moles is equal to mass of oxygen in grams by its gram molecular weight. So mass of oxygen in grams is equal to 0.032. Whereas gram molecular weight of oxygen is 32. So this 0.03, you have to remove these zeros, you have to divide it with 1000. So this 0.032, it will be 1000 times. That means 1 by 1000, or it will be 0.001 mole. .001 mole. So this is the difference between this is the relation between number of moles and weight of the gases. If the mass of the gases are given in other units other than grams, first thing that you have to do is convert that mass into grams. Then you should use the formula, given formula, to get the number of moles.